Alright, this is Colin Tim with Fair's Fair Creative. This is Nuch, my latest commission, custom project for clients in Oregon. This is a 2024 high roof extended length, full premium custom build. Lawn seal floor, cherry cabinetry. I really like these cam latches on the drawers here. We've got lighting options here, main cabin dimmer over here, also the Victron touchscreen. In the kitchen we have a 2-pole 3-position switch, so we have standard countertop lighting. The toe kick lighting, or we can have both on at once, which looks really nice in my opinion. This is the air conditioner, so I used the undermount AC, really premium air conditioner, super powerful undermount also, so it saves real estate on the roof. So it's winter here, I'm not going to go outside in this video I don't think, but I used a Flatline Vanco roof rack on this van, and there's 800 watts of solar panels and the max fan on the roof, and then the undermount AC is actually underneath the van behind the rear axle. Clients requested a Liveo dry flush toilet, extra storage back here. Cubbies along the bed. S-Bar B4L gas heater. This is the controller for the undermount AC. It's really nice. As per usual, I try to be creative and fill as much space as I can with storage. So we have the Dometic dual zone 75-liter fridge. Queen bed. Lots of storage above the bed. It's really nice for soft goods and clothing. There's also some cubbies above the bed here, and a headboard with built-in storage for magazine rack and phones and charging, and the reading light back here. 27-inch LG Smart TV. My client plans to get Starlink and be able to use streaming services on the TV here. The TV, I use the optical cable for less static and less noise to connect to this Furrion media hub here. So this is a DVD player, but it's also the radio. It has aux inputs, Bluetooth, multi-zone speakers, so I have zone 1 up front, zone 2 in the back. the full Victron suite, so multi plus 2, the new Orion XS, which is the 50 amp alternator charger. I used 2 of the 330 amp hour external BMS Victron smart batteries with the VE BMS 2. That's the small BMS. Worked really slick. Also a couple of Victron chargers, MPPT charge controllers for 2 separate solar arrays on the roof. The full window here. I'll just kind of pan around and walk around a little bit for the views. Actually, I will go outside, show you the garage. It's very cold. Fiamma F45S awning. The 45 is a lot better for the wall mounting on the roof rack. 30 amp shore power. In the garage is 2 bike bays and lots of storage. Table. Also an outlet in the garage. In there is all the electrical and the batteries. This walkthrough is a little less organized than in the past because I'm not selling this van. I'm just kind of showing it off. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in. GoPro, stop recording.